Assalamu alaikum. My name is Akhmadullokh. I am Flutter developer, and now I'm gonna show you how to use Gridview.builder for your app, for any app. Okay, let's start. Well, this is my online shop project, as you see. This is my products list, and we need to show my products ID, title, description, and price, and image. Well, I already take it from the internet. You can buy it as a products models. First of all, I need to create products model and ID, title, and here this is a products list. Okay. It is empty, my shop, online shopping. Okay, let's start. We need to show right here the grid view builder. Yeah, this, and we need to use sliver delegate with fixed cross axis count. Why? Because you are count your products, and I'm going to show here, and we need to write aspect ratio 3 2, and main axis spacing 20, and cross axis spacing also 20. Okay, and we need to write products counts, item count, products ID, index, and length. Alright, products, image URL, yes, products image URL. No, it's my mistake. It's not drawing. I need to write here. Where the sliver? Item count. Products.links here. And item builder, and we need to write ctx, and indexing, and return. At the beginning it's just container, and we will change next time. This is Gridview.builder. At the beginning it's empty, right? Because we need to show images, and we need to create new products the Dart file for image networking and product image. We need to give product item .dart. Okay, and settlers product item. Okay, and I want to use a grid tile here, but you can use a container in front here. But now I'm going to use grid tile and image dot network image, but we need to show here for image string image, that's it, and we need to show generate constructor, yeah, and here image. Okay, and come back container, and we'll remove containers. These product items I will show here. Product item widgets, right? Image, which image? Product image, and indexed, and dot image URL. Where he finds image URL, I already write here image URLs. I took it from the internet. You can take it now. Let's reload. Yeah, it's very easy, bro. You can use any products, but we need some decoration here. Fit box fit dot cover. No, it can cover. Yeah, it's okay. And you can change your product count here like this if you want to 2 or 3 or more or less, like this, or 3 or 4, like. But at that time it's 1, it's better, like. Okay, and we'll continue. Grid tile var, as you see, give me footer widgets. Footer and grid tile bar. I need to write titles. Which title? Product title. But at the beginning, I need to show like image, final, string, title. And copy. And write title. It's a comma. It's okay. And I need to show here like image URL. Copy. Title. Which title? It's product title. Each product is title. Okay. Yeah. This is my product. AirPods, MacBook Pro, and Smart Watch. But we need to use text allegiance. Text allegiance, yeah. Center. Yeah, it's better. Why it's not seen? Because it's a background black, white, and pink. I need to fix it. Okay, it's not a problem. Grid tile bar, background colors dot black 45. it's better. You can change colors which you want, it's not a problem. Okay, we will continue. I need to decoration more. Leading icon button, unpress it. At the beginning it's empty, we will use later, and so we'll use later. Yeah, an icon icon's favorite outline. Yeah, favorite outline. Yeah, it's okay. We'll continue. And rather trailing at the trailing it's icon button press it at the beginning, it's empty. Icon const icon icons dot shopping cart outline. Yes, it's so beautiful. I hope I can't understand you how to use Gridview.builder and taking image from the network and also using grid tile and grid tile bar. You can use for your any projects. As you see, first of all, I need to show here image and title, and after that I need to give here product items. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching. We will show next time.